Hi, today is October 11th and I'm in the car and I'm on the way to Cincinnati for the Blink Festival, which I'm so excited. I've been following them on Instagram for a very long time. Well, for a few years now. And it's not very far. Cincinnati's so close. I love going to Cincinnati, so I'm gonna make a day of it. The Blink Festival is an immersive art and light festival. Like, you just walk through all this light, art, projections. It's just going to be so colorful and bright. I'm so excited to see it. They started yesterday on the 10th. They had like a whole parade and everything, but I wasn't able to make it. So I'm going to go today and see what it's all about, because I'm so excited. It looks so beautiful on Instagram. I'll be sure to put their Instagram somewhere in the video. But I'm so excited to go see that, and I want to see if I can go to the s'mores bar that is there in Cincinnati now. So I'm on the road and I'm going to be there in like an hour or so, and I'm excited to get there. I just wanted to come on here and do like a little recap of the Blink Cincinnati Festival, since like after I entered that boozy ice cream shop, everything just went like double speed. Like I met a couple there who bought my ice cream and we just started talking. I didn't want to record like our conversation because I thought it was rude, and I just met someone and we had a great conversation and they invited me to go walk around with them. They were Cincinnati natives. And so I walked around all night with them and we like just chatted and talked. And it's just really fun being able to just go to a different city, make friends by yourself, and just have like a nice connection with people and to experience something new with other people. So we walked around all night. I ended up leaving like around 9:30, 10 o'clock. And I just drove back to Columbus. It was a lot of fun. Like it really is an immersive festival of light, art, installations, and just color and techniques about like different ways of displaying art and how to interact with people on a major scale. You can just walk all throughout the city, through the neighborhoods and like little areas, and find art everywhere, like projected on buildings, churches, city hall, and on walls and videos. It's just a lot of fun. And there was like a light up seesaw center for like grown-ups and kids. So everything was a lot of fun, and it really helped that Blink also had their very own app where it will tell you where all the installations are, where all the projections are, where all like the art pieces are, what they are. You can like get information about the artist when you click on it, and you can get walking directions. And it's just really fun to like see the whole map of the whole layout of everything and get information right from your phone. So I did download that and I did use it, and it was a lot of help. And I got to like see the ones I wanted to see the very most. And it's just, it would take a whole weekend, I think, to see everything, but I only had like one night. So I didn't see everything, but I saw a lot that I could. And I am so excited for next year. I'm definitely going to be back. So I just wanted to come on here and wrap up everything for that weekend, this trip to Cincinnati, this day trip to Cincinnati. And I just had so much fun, and I cannot wait for next year. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.